So let us quickly do that. So if you go to new measure and then I create a measure sales daily change, and then I'll create a variable that says the difference between the previous month sales and the current month, current day sales and previous day sales. So variance, I will say variable variance amount. Variance amount equals sales without GST total minus sales previous day. Now variable variance percentage equals divide variance amount, comma, sales previous day, comma 0. Return variance percentage. Now, if you look at here, percentage, click OK. Now this will give you the percentage here, right? So from 110, it increased to 187, which means there is a 68% increase. And then from there, it dropped by 8.2%. So if I remove this, if I remove this, and then if I just keep this, and then if I filter only January month, so I'll go to date filter, and I'll filter equals, or let's say is before 1 to 2023. So this gives me only the January, right? This gives me only the January. And then if I remove this, grand total of, and I can insert a pivot table or a pivot chart. So I can insert a pivot chart that will give me what is the sales trend. So if I put this pivot chart here,